In today's video, I am going to talk about a famous person who rose to greater heights with his sheer hard work and dedication. He is none other than the CEO of Microsoft, Satya Nadella. Satya Nadella appointment as a CEO of Microsoft on February 4, 2014 is a proud moment for Indian all over the world and is the result of hard work. Satya was born in the family that was based in Hyderabad. His father was a civil servant of Indian Administration Service. Satya Nadella, after completing his schooling at Hyderabad Public School, went on to complete his bachelor degree in electrical engineering from Manipal Institute of Technology in 1988. Now, Satya was very clear in his mind that he wanted to build things in life, but didn't really know how to go for it and where to start. Yes, he did know that computer science was was what he wanted to take up. But since the course didn't hold that much importance at Manipal University, he decided to go with electrical engineering, which became a greater way for him to discover his true passion. Later, he decided to move to US to pursue his master degree in computer science from University of Wisconsin in 1990. A couple of years down from the line, he also completed his master's in business administration from University of Chicago. As completing his college, Satya began his career with Sun Microsoft System as a member of their technical staff, and this is where all it began. Satya Nadella's educational background coupled with his leadership skill that he honed during his MBA studies helped him to lead larger groups in Sun Microsoft Systems and Microsoft Corporation and enhance the capability of this organization. He always wanted to do something that empower the people and brought all change impact, and he for the fact knew that Microsoft was swiftly making that happen. Many companies aim and hope to do change the world one day, but it remains the fact that very few hold all the element, talent, resources, and the perseverance that are required to bring about that change. Whereas Microsoft had potential of all these elements. Microsoft as a product was empowering the people to do magical things at the same time was making the world a better place. Hence, after a short stint with Sun, Satya decided to quit the company and lead himself to the journey which would change his life forever. In 1992, Satya Nadella joined Microsoft Corporation. Soon after he did so, Satya began to gain a name within the company of a leader who could spread technology and business of the company to transform some of Microsoft's biggest product offering. Now at Microsoft, Satya Nadella has managed to successfully lead a range of major projects which also included the Microsoft shift to cloud computing and also development of one of the world's largest cloud infrastructure. In his work stint of 22 years with Microsoft, from being president of server and tool division, senior vice president of research and development for online services division, vice president of business division, and a corporate vice president of business solution and online search and advertise platform group to being executive vice president of cloud and enterprises group. He has been through various positions and seen the companies through various different vertical. Now, similar to his present, his rise was too quickly as the company itself. He rapidly grew from where he was to rank of Microsoft's management. To begin with, around August 2014, Steve Ballmer, ex-chief executive officer, announced that his retirement from Microsoft and gave the world the biggest buzz of the year. Everyone went into deep assumptions and speculation as who would be the new chief executive officer of the biggest corporation, Microsoft. After a lot of buzzes around the topic, on 4th February 2014, it was finally disclosed that Satya Nadella would be the third chief executive officer of Microsoft Corporation, succeeding Steve Ballmer. On the same day, John W. Thompson took on the role of chairman while Bill Gates stepped down from that position. Under Satya CEOship, the company which stood at market capitalization of 300 billion under the eighth largest company in the world by market capitalization in the year January 2014, Microsoft had grown on to overtake ExxonMobil to become the second most valuable company to by market capitalization, 400 billion by the year end. This only got better in 2015, where Microsoft reported that their earnings of 76.4 billion from foreign market. In 2017, Satya Nadella came out with his book Hit Refresh. That book talks about his life, Microsoft, and how technology is changing the world. I would like to quote few of his famous lines here. That is very inspiring to me. That is first one. There is something only a CEO uniquely can do, which is set the tone, which can then capture the soul of collective. Next, a leader must see the external opportunities and the internal capability and the culture and all of the combinations among them and respond to them before they become obvious part of conventional wisdom. Third, success can cause people to unlearn the habit that made them successful in the first place. Fourth, technology will come and go, and so you need to able to both ask and answer the question: what do you do as a company, and why do you exist? My key takeaway from his life story is one of the first takeaway from Satya Nadella's career journey is to see how important is to plan a career and take the right decision at the right time. Second, continuous learning, putting our best effort and gaining maximum education is important for career success. Third, to focus attention on what you want truly and identifying your strengths and moving forward in a career with in that direction. Satya Nadella managed to grow in his career because of his sheer dedication and hard work. Youngsters today are hungry for money but not willing to put into hard work to earn that money. We ought to remember that success is result of years of hard work. So, if we want to reap the fruit of success, we should not shy ourselves away from hard work. Instead of switching job everywhere, we need to stick to same company and show our loyalty to one organization. Then there will be then only there will be a win and win situation for the both employee and the organization. Satya Nadella's life story is an inspiration to all of us, and I hope that India produce individuals like Satya Nadella who are not only asset to our organization and the entire world also. Thank you.